Hello, patrons!
Hi, patrons, my lovelies!
We're cooking.
Together.
Together. You know, I like cooking, and I'm good at it. And Mazzy's good at it, and you like cooking. But together, I don't think it's going to work, Mazzy.
We've never done this together.
Never cooked together. What are we cooking? Because I don't know anything what's going on here.
Right, so I'm going to do a basic thing. We're running out of sweets and stuff, so I want some cake, okay?
Cake.
Yeah. But there's lots of things we don't have. We don't have tins,
We don't have any
ingredients. Yeah, well, we're going to make something. This is an experiment just to see if it works.
Okay, why didn't we just buy cake from shop?
Because we ain't gone to the shop for 2 or 3 days.
Okay, so we're making a cake?
We are one each, yep.
One each? Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we do?
We've got a basic ingredient list, but a lot of that we don't have. So we just put our basics in and then be imaginative as you want.
Oh, I'm going to be good at this. This.
Yeah.
Right, show us what's in the kitchen then. What's what?
Right, come on then. Yeah, come with me.
Right, please continue.
Right, so I don't have a baking tray, so I'm going with mugs. I have heard of mug cakes, right? But usually you can do them in the microwave. I haven't got a microwave, got no electric, so I'm going to try steaming them. So that's an experiment on its own. Got a few of the basic essentials, which is these. Okay, they're just a couple of the basic.
So what have we got?
essentials.
Flour, icing sugar, sunflower oil, and what's that?
Powdered
Coffee
milk.
whitener.
Powdered milk. That'll be fine.
Okay.
And these are just a few experiments then that we can jazz it up with. Have custard in it, chocolate, whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
But as long as we've got the basic base.
Yeah.
And then hopefully this should turn out alright.
Fantastic. So I can put anything in it I want?
Yeah.
Is there any corned beef left?
No! Right, so it says just plain flour. I've only got self-raising. So
Yeah, that's a great start, is that? Great start, Mazzy. What are you doing? You're putting it in a cup?
Yeah. I haven't got a baking tray.
2 tablespoons,
2 tablespoons
in a cup.
of flour, yeah. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay, is that normal sugar?
It's granulated. I'm not sure
Yeah.
now again if you're meant to use caster sugar, but
No.
that's all I have.
Okay. This ain't going to work, but carry on.
1 tablespoon of powdered milk.
Yeah.
Try it.
Okay. Is it a cake yet? Does it look like a cake?
No, it's not yet.
Okay.
Now I'm going to go with a chocolatey theme. And it says I had cocoa powder. I don't have cocoa powder. I have drinking chocolate.
Yeah, same thing.
Is it the same thing?
It'll be all right. Yeah, slap it in. Slap
now,
it in.
that says 1 tablespoon.
Okay, stick it
But
in.
I'll be honest, I'm going to put 2 because I like mine really
God.
chocolatey.
Okay. Is it a cake yet?
Nope, not yet. So that's my basic ingredients.
Okay.
And now my wet stuff. Wet stuff. 2 tablespoons of water. 1.
Yeah, that's it. Do it over. Make sure you do it over your mobile phone.
Yeah.
Won't you? Yeah.
And 1 tablespoon of oil. So I just got to open this. This is new.
Stinks.
What?
I don't know. It just stinks. No, not the oil. I mean, whatever you've put in that cup stinks.
Oh, everything stinks to you. So it says 1 tablespoon of oil.
Mhm.
Let's give it a mix.
Is it a cake yet?
No, I've never ever tried this. Oh, it's looking a bit dry, isn't it? Right, I'm going to go with another oil
Oh dear.
because I did put an extra tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Well, yours is going to be rubbish. I can tell you now. Mine is going to be good.
Okay, well, we'll see, won't we?
Yeah. So now you're cheating by adding milk.
Well, I am, yeah. It seems a bit, it's not battery enough. Oh, God, that's a mess, isn't it? Not
Is it a cake yet?
No.
That looks disgusting.
Let me,
oh my
oh
god.
my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yeah, what's going on, Mazzy? How are you going to cook this?
Well, like I said, I'm going to try and steam it. I don't even know if it's going to work.
What, steam the pot?
Yeah.
That'll crack.
There you go, look.
The pot will crack.
No, it won't.
Yeah, that's too thin.
No, you reckon?
Well, each to their own.
Right, shall I do my filling and then you do yours? Or should we
Yeah,
get our basics
no,
first?
you go along with your filling, yeah.
I'm just going to go with that. It's the last bit of the galaxy.
Galaxy, right, okay.
Do you want any? Shall I cut it in half?
I don't want your galaxy, no.
No, I'm just going to plonk it inside. Look at it. So hopefully it's going to have a gooey centre. Can you see? That's mine done.
That's yours done. That's literally it.
Yeah.
It really don't look like a cake. It looks like... No, I'm not even going to say what that looks like. That's terrible, Mazzy.
Well, let's just try, yeah.
Let me try, yeah. Give me a go.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
2 tablespoons of flour. Stick them in.
No, that's sugar.
You're so fussy, aren't you? 2 tablespoons of white sugar. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Oh my gosh.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah, no, we don't have all that.
We don't have that.
Shh.
1 tablespoon of powdered milk.
Yeah.
This is easy.
Oh my goodness.
2 tablespoons of water. 1 teaspoon of oil or butter.
Oh, I thought that said tablespoon.
Well, this is why mine's going to be great and yours is going to be rubbish.
Oh, I'm worried now.
2 tablespoons of grated chocolate.
Well, this is now where you can add whatever you want.
Well, I've got to add grated chocolate.
If that's what you want, yeah. Oh my
I've got an Easter egg. £1 it cost, €1. So 1 tablespoon of that. Would you say that's a tablespoon?
Yeah.
Ow!
Saves me washing up on the graters and stuff. I like this.
Yeah. So that's my basic, and now I can add anything I want to it.
Yeah. Right, so I'm a little concerned.
What?
Are you not even going to try and make this edible?
It is going to be edible. I'm just looking to see if there's any more corned beef. But I used it all the other day. There's none left.
No.
We've got Marmite. We've got chopped ham. We have got... I'll tell you what, I'm going to put some of that in. Red food colouring. I'm going to have a red cake.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
How much are you putting in? Oh my god!
That much? I don't know, do I? And I think I'm going to make mine into... I'm going to have some nuts.
Yeah?
Yeah? When you go, yeah, I get the impression I'm not doing all wrong. It's when you go, oh my God, then I know I'm doing it wrong. But if you're saying, yeah, I know this is a good idea.
I think it's quite genius that you're jazzing yours up a bit more. Oh, yeah.
So, it's
we got?
basically chopped nuts, okay? Yeah. I'm going to stick them in. My cake.
I've got a feeling yours is going to be yummy.
It
Can I add to mine?
No, you've done yours. You've done yours.
Right,
My turn.
Okay.
It's all about me now.
Yep.
Now, I thought I saw Turkish Delight down here. I obviously didn't.
No,
It was that, wasn't
bar,
it?
yeah. You got some raisins. Crunchy, you like crunchy? There's other stuff in the sweet drawer if you want to have a
I
look.
will go crunchy because I like the idea of having that brown muck inside. You know that?
The honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
Yeah.
Bit of honeycomb.
That sounds really nice.
It is going to be nice, Mazzy.
Stand on it. Is it? Let's have a look.
I'll tell you, I can guarantee it's crunchy.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Come and have a close-up as I put this into my cake mixture. Look at this. Look at that.
I'm really jealous. That's actually really nice.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh.
So now I'm going to mix that together and you're going to see the difference between mine and yours.
Okay. Let's have a look. Wow, that is red. Oh my God, it's like a velvet cake. Are you happy with the consistency?
I'll tell you what, my consistency is perfect.
Yeah?
Like you were adding extra bits of oil and water and stuff. I'm not.
I know, I've added too much, haven't I?
Look at mine and look at yours.
Oh, yours is going to be really good.
In fact, I want that as it is. I don't want to cook it. So you can see mine and you can see Mazzy's. Who do you think is going to have the nicest cake if it actually turns into a cake? Which I'm a bit worried it won't. But I do know mine will taste nice even if it don't turn out as a cake. Yours is always going to look like and smell like and be like. Ugh.
Well, I'm hoping my thing was hoping to have like a gooey chocolate centre.
Mazzy, everyone's looking at them and they're thinking they would rather try that than that.
You've actually done really well.
I have done well.
Yeah.
I'm really good at stuff like this.
Right, let's pop them.
Kitchens.
Do you want to pop them in the saucepan then?
Yeah. There you go. Leave them in there for 20 minutes, and then turn them over.
Well,
and
actually,
they'll be ready.
I'm not sure how long they need. Let's get them boiling anyway.
So you've slapped them in there. You've slapped some water in there.
Yeah.
I don't think you've put enough water in, Mazzy.
That's only steaming. You're not boiling them.
Well, your lid don't go on properly, so it's not going to steam properly. I'm just going to leave you to it.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
You're going to ruin my cake. That's what you're going to do.
Well, I'm beginning to think how about we put foil over the top of the cups. Yeah.
Just don't spoil my cake, will you? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, I think you've made a mistake here.
Why?
Because you've done everything okay.
Yeah.
But I think we should have greased the cups first so that the cake would slide out.
I forgot to do that.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Never
You're
mind.
showing me up!
Well, I am a professional. Anyway, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Should be ready now, Mazzy. It said 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It's been about 13.
I know, sorry, I got carried away.
Maybe longer. So, all we have to do... Thank you. Is take the top off. Put that over there. Take them out. Do I turn it off?
Well, we don't know if it's 10 minutes or 20 yet. Do you want to just stick
it
your
definitely
knife
said
in?
10 minutes on the instructions, Mazzy. There's no reason why that shouldn't be ready.
Okay.
So I'm turning it off. This is it. They've either worked or they haven't.
No, we might have to give them a little longer. Just take a foil off one.
I think this might be yours. I'm not sure.
It is my one, yeah.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, okay. No, it needs another 10 minutes. No. Okay.
Look at that. I bet mine's perfect in there.
Right. Get it. Oh!
It's had 20 minutes now, Mazzy.
Okay. It's not...
If it's not ready, there's trouble.
Oh. Okay. Maybe just a little bit longer. Look, can you see? Maybe just another 10 more minutes.
But that will be then half an hour.
Yeah.
For something which says it takes 10 minutes. Mine might be ready.
It's a microwave
yeah, I know.
recipe.
But mine might be ready, Mazzy. Mine might be perfect in there.
No, it won't be.
If mine burns now, there'll be trouble. Right, we're ready.
Yeah, you looking forward to this?
Oh, we're looking forward to it after 10 minutes, Mazzy.
Yeah, it's been about 40.
It's been about 40.
Yeah.
Now, if it's not ready now, tough. This is it.
Yeah.
Okay, if it don't work, it's a disaster.
Oh no. Oh.
I've turned it off.
Yeah.
This is it. So, we'll start with yours, shall we?
Yeah.
Which I think is this one, is it?
Yay, I'm looking forward to this. I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this as well. It's going to be a disaster as yours.
Oh.
Okay, look at that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, well, I've got a knife.
Can we have a look at yours first?
No. Ow, that's very hot.
It
I need to
will
take
be.
it out, Mazzy. Scoop it out onto your plate, which is the mucky one there, which is your fault it's mucky. Mine's the clean one next to it.
Oh, what's wrong with it? It's...
So this is your cake, which...
Yeah.
This whole task was your idea, remember?
Oh. Right, okay.
Congratulations, Mazzy. You've made a wonderful brown dollop.
Right.
Are you happy with that?
No.
I'm looking forward to you tasting it.
I'm embarrassed now.
I'm looking forward to you tasting it. Anyway, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
And I bet mine's perfect.
How can yours be any different to mine?
Because I did my ingredient consistency different to yours. I added the right ingredients. And I didn't...
Do you want a clean knife?
Oh, look at that. It looks like a jam sponged, don't you think?
Yeah, but I wonder if it's... I can't see inside it.
What?
I hold it up, I can't see because of the light.
You can't see. Have a good look in there. Look at that. That's cake, Mazzy. That's what a cake.
It looks fruity.
It does look fruity.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, but I want... That's jam. It's jam underneath. So mine's going to come out as a cake stroke. Yeah, I'll just leave it there for a second.
Okay.
Are you ready?
It's leaking. Oh.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So,
Oh.
2 cakes, Mazzy.
Yeah.
Let me hold them up so everyone can see our cakes. Which one would you rather eat? Would you rather eat Mazzy's A or Dan's B? Answer in the comments. I'd love to know what you all think. Got to taste them now, Mazzy. Right, Mazzy, tuck into your... What are you calling this, by the way? I know what I'd call it.
Sludge.
Sludge cake.
Yeah.
Okay. You got the first letter right. Anyway, if you want to get your spoon and tuck in.
I think maybe it could have done with... Look, something's gone
This was your
wrong.
idea. Just tuck in, Mazzy. Tuck in.
Yeah. Well, I'll go for this dry cookie look bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, isn't it very nice, Mazzy?
Do you want to try
Oh, what a
some?
shit. No, I don't want to try any of yours. Thank you very much. I've got my own, my beautiful fruit cake.
Ew, what went wrong?
Crunchy fruit cake. Not wrong with mine.
Let me film you.
Nothing wrong with mine. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm going to tuck straight into the middle of my cake.
Yeah.
Crunchy fruity cake, I'm calling it. Crunchy fruitless fruity cake. This was your idea. That is minging. What's wrong with it, man?
I don't know. What went wrong?
Honestly, that tastes as bad as it looks. It's not sweet. It tastes like flour. Even though mine's red, doesn't taste fruity. Can't taste any crunchy. Can't taste no. That is just ming. No, it don't get any better. That is disgusting, Mazzy. Biggest failure ever, and this is your fault because you came up with the ingredients. So there you are, one meal we're never making ever again.
Let's just not talk about
We'll
it.
never talk. Luckily, it's just
No.
patrons.
Yeah.
The rest of people can't see.
And
can't
don't
see.
tell anyone.
Yeah, don't tell them. Don't tell them. Just a quick thank you yet again for supporting us, guys, especially in this hard time. Everyone's struggling financially, and your help is really, really helping us through it. So, thank you. We'll keep trying to put Patreon videos up, especially for you guys. Catch us on the main channel tomorrow, hopefully.
Yeah, and stay healthy and safe, guys.
Stay healthy and safe and happy.
Yeah, and happy.
And happy. And love each other.
And don't bother trying this.
And don't try this.
Love y'all.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.